Guys, this is just crazy. I got 3 views in a minute. Now I got 9 on this video. I got 10 on this one. I got 4 whole subscribers. Yeah, it's just crazy, guys. Let's see if I still have I still have the dislike on here. That has 12 views now. And I have 2 dislikes on here. So yeah, my video is currently the most Oh, I got 2 likes on here and a comment. Yeah, guys, my channel, it, it's just going crazy. If we keep getting these dislikes and these subscribers, one day we will just it's crazy, crazy, man. Oh, comment down below if you want me to play some video games, because I have too many. I don't know what to do. Yeah. So, yeah, friend me on Steam too, so I can get those max friends. It's gonna be great, man. We can play video games to get subscribers and dislikes together. It's just crazy. 4 whole subscribers. I didn't even have time. I've got 3 subscriber special. I might cry. I'm gonna end it here.